welcome back to my channel. I am Court Love, and in this video I'm showing you how I installed this wig with working with another Amazon company. So check the description down below to get the information and all the details on this wig. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And also follow me on IG at I am Court Love, and also on TikTok _Court Love for entertaining type video. Let's get into this video and I'll show you how I achieve this nice look. The wig is 24 inches, straight ended. The knots, I pluck the hairline, and also it had 3 combs, 1, 2, 3. I took them all. If y'all watch my videos like that, you know that I don't like combs in my wigs. Plus it hurts my head, but it makes the foundation lay flatter if you take out the combs and just leave the very back of the comb. So I'm gonna cut the lace and I'm going to start this install process. So I cut the lace and I also tinted the lace with this tint spray by Ebin. And I'm also gonna tack down my lace with this Ebin Lace. And so when I sprayed the lace with the tint spray, I use my Got2b to kind of seal it, so it wouldn't like rub off. It's still kind of wet, but I'm about to install this and get this install process. Really wouldn't have to tack it down if I didn't want to, because girl, it's giving what it's need to give, like. But of course I want to go all the way and do everything and seal it, so I'm going to tack it down. I just wanted to see like where I want it tacked down. I never used this spray ever, so this is my first time. So we're gonna see with this spray. If you haven't used this spray before, we're gonna see what it do together. So I put down 2 layers of the spray because I'm not gonna keep this on long. So I'm going to tack it down, and if I need more, I'll spray more if I need to. So I'm going to take section by section because I feel like that's easy when you're trying to get a melted look. And if, like I said, if I need more, I will add more spray to. I didn't even push my edges back the way I should have pushed them back. So I'm going to add some more spray Take that down. Take it down, take it down, take it down, take it down. Melt it. So tie this down with the band. All right. And if I have any like residue on my forehead or whatever, I will wipe it off. But right now I'm just going to style it. Because I already straightened it, but now I want that middle part, and just do some minor adjustments. To help me part it. If you braid, you know that that's like the easiest way to part taking product and parting. So that's a little trick if you're trying, you're struggling with parting the wig, and it doesn't look so even. And that's because I kind of like over bleached a little bit, but it's okay because like I said, I'm going to get it together soon. And that was just some spritz that I used, and of course the wax. And girl, I'm going to flatten this wig, child. Because I love a flat install. Like, I love for my wigs to look like I got a sew-in or something. Like, I don't like bulky wigs. So this is perfect for me wearing it straight. I think this wig is about 150. It looks like 150 density because it's a little on the thin side, but it's okay for me because I love to wear a wig when I wear it straight to look natural as possible. Like, I don't want it to look like a wig. I want it to look like, if you glance at it, like, oh, is that a sew-in or is that your hair? So the 150 density is cool. But if I was like to rock some curls or something, probably some tricks would be needed for fullness and volume. So usually I use like the spray to fix my parting, but I'm going to use this Root Touch Up by Clairol, as you can see. And I'm just going to There you go. Part is fixed.
Swap the H and the S.
Could be done here, you know, no baby hairs, no nothing. That's just, like I said, you can take that off with some water. But I want to, because I've been trying to practice on baby hairs and how to create them, so I'm going to create some baby hairs. Get that crust, that white crust. So don't worry, sis. I got it. I'ma get it. I just wanna kind of carve out my baby hairs first.
Swap the H and the S.
So this is the final look, finished look. I'm still not that good at the baby hair thing, but girl, I'm trying. Girl, I like that. Like, girl, that's cute. Okay, girl. That's real cute, girl. Girl, I feel like real cute. Girl with that little piece. That's cute. Okay. Oh, this right here. But okay, girl. With the side pieces, I need to start doing little sideburns. I'm gonna get it together though, y'all. I'm gonna get it together, but I like it. Tell me your thoughts down below. Tell me if I did a good job or not. I would appreciate that. And make sure y'all are subscribed to my channel for more looks. Yes, honey, yes. See y'all in my next video. Talk to you guys later. Love y'all.